Hey, I'm Brian Smith, the Design Director of Full Stack Labs, a software consultancy that specializes in React Native design and development. The React Native app of the week is Speedy Cash, an app that allows consumers to apply for personal loans from their mobile device. We did a review of the app to identify areas that succeed and others that could use some improvement. Let's take a look.
When the app initially launches, you are presented with a very nice layout. There's adequate spacing around the logo, and even the person is facing toward the right rather than the left, which implies forward movement. However, if we look at the launch again, you can see that there are several states of the loading process, which causes a jarring flashing effect. This can be improved by adding a subtle transition and removing those unnecessary states. On the Create Your Account view, while you're entering your email address, there's a hint that helps fix mild typing mistakes, and tapping it fills the field with the correction. This nice touch helps users avoid a potential account problem. There are a few issues in this view that can be easily resolved with some minor tweaks. The first is providing direct, instant feedback about whether the password has met the requirements, and whether the password matches when they are asked to re-enter it. Displaying errors as soon as they occur allows the user to fix them before changing their mental context. The security question dialog text is rather small and could present an accessibility problem for those who are somewhat visually impaired. The size of the text should be increased. This may necessitate the use of a full-screen dialog, which would also make the presence of the empty space less distracting. Finally, the red color used on the button to create an account makes the action appear worrisome to users. Changing the color to green would be a good choice in this view to help encourage users to proceed. When completing the application, it's unclear how far along in the process the user is at any point. Also, it is unclear whether you can exit the process and save your progress. You should always have an indicator of progress so the user knows what to expect. It appears the user's account is created after the Create Your Account view is submitted, and the progress is saved at each step, which is great. Users would appreciate being made aware of that. There's also a minor bug here. The take-home pay field begins by entering a decimal. Simply clearing the field on focus so the user can begin typing with dollars will fix this. The store locator map loads pretty quickly, and the ability to detect your location is a helpful feature. However, on initial load, it appears there are no stores nationwide. Stores are only shown after the user enters a location or zooms in on the map. Here, some sort of initial state indicating the number of nationwide stores, and perhaps showing clusters of stores in the target regions, would prevent the user from thinking there are no stores at all. We focus mostly on forms, but of course there's a lot more to this React Native application that we didn't review today. If you are interested in learning more about how Full Stack Labs can help you with your React Native app, or if you're looking to hire React Native developers, please let us know and we'd be happy to arrange a free consultation.